Extend your left foot forward. Put your left hand into your right armpit. And now you're going to bend over and you're going to massage your instep. It's okay to bend your knee. And you're going to massage from the hollow underneath the ball of the foot, that's kidney 1, sliding up into the instep, which is kidney 2. And we do that 9 times. Okay, stand up. Put the feet back together. Now, you're going to extend your right heel directly in front of you, less than 18 inches. That's it. And now, you're going to put your right hand into your left armpit. There you go. And now you're going to massage from kidney 1, which is the hollow behind the ball of foot, up the instep to kidney 2. All the fingers. You're going to use all your fingers to massage. And that's about 9 times. Okay, now stand up. And now you're going to turn your left foot out at a 90-degree angle. And you're going to extend that about 18 inches. And now you're going to put your left elbow in your groin. And now with your right hand, you're going to pull each toe from the base to the tip. The left foot. The right hand is going to pull each toe. Start with the little toe. Right. So you're going to pinch pull each toe. Third toe, fourth toe, big toe, and then go back down to the little toe. Okay, now stand up and now switch legs. Now extend the right foot out. And now the left hand is going to start with the little toe, and you're going to pinch pull the little toe. Then the fourth toe, third toe, all the way up to the big toe, and then go back down to the little toe.
You can only do that once, right?
That,
Once.